So yesterday there was a new supply that was created. We got this pushed down to here, and I marked this when price was down here, but I did not take a trade here because it come invalid. Price pushed all the way through it, so there was no entry. But even before here, we had this was the liquidity I was looking to use for the POI, but it got swept and then pushed down there. So that liquidity was already used. So that's another instance of when a trade becomes invalid for me if the liquidity has been taken before the entry. The liquidity needs to be taken on the entry. So that was yesterday's POI. So currently now it is CPI today, so I'm not going to be looking to trade anything until after that. If we look at the daily time frame, we're still all-time high was yesterday. We made a new all-time high yesterday, and I'm not looking to continue buying up here because we don't know how far it can go, and usually after a breaker structure we're looking for that pullback. So yeah, because we've got CPI today as well, I'm not going to be waiting until after that. Hopefully CPI is either going to push it higher or CPI is going to push it lower, and then we'll hopefully get an entry towards the end of the week. But yeah, I'm not looking to, there's no POIs, and like I said, it's CPI, so there's not much to look at the moment. This is where the strategy gets a bit boring. You know, for a week or even 2 weeks there could be nothing going on, but we've got to be patient and got to wait for the best trades to take. So just like this 1 to 10 down here, took a few losses before this 1 to 10, but these are the sort of trades I'm looking for. The next trade could be another 1 to 10 down into this area. I'm not looking for those quick short trades. I'm looking for the actual direction of the higher time frame and then the model and the strategy playing out on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, that's it for Germany 40 this morning.